Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA course tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to highlight only the duplicate values in a selected cell range using a VBA code. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output. So here we got the duplicate values is highlighted. If I change the Rani to Lalita, click, again select, click. So here only the duplicate values is highlighted. Let's add Ben one more time. We'll check Ben, highlight the records, Ben. See? If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new blank workbook. Here I am selecting blank workbook. The workbook name is a book 1. Now for this example, I am adding some names here: Charan, Jane, Peter, Ben, Vikram, and here also I am adding some names here: Rani, Peter, Charan, Vijay. Just for the demo purpose, I have added only few names in different cells. Now my aim is I want to highlight only the selected range. Suppose for example, if I highlight here, I will add one button control. Once I click the button control, I want to highlight only the duplicate values only, the selected range of cells. For that I am using the VBA code. First what I will do is I will add one button control on this Excel sheet. For that, go to developer. In the developer, notice on the controls there is the insert controls. Click that one. In the insert controls, there are two types of controls: form and ActiveX. For this example, I am taking the ActiveX control. I am taking as a command button. Here the command button, I am changing the property. The label is click. After that, double click the button control. So once I click the button control, it will redirect it to the Microsoft Visual Basic application, VBA project. Now here, I am declaring two objects here: dim, selection range, select range, and cell value as range. After that, set select range is equals to selection is a property. If the selection range, for each loop I am adding here, for each cell value in select range. Let's close the for loop. Here the condition is whatever the selection range, will check the cell value. For that I am using the if condition. If worksheet, the cell values we have in the worksheet function dot count if the arguments is taking the cell value, not the cell value, select range. First we need to add this range, then we'll check the values, which is the cell value dot value is greater than 1. Means if the value is greater than 1, means if you have duplicate values, then let's close this and if condition. I want to highlight, first we'll add cell value dot font dot color is equals to let's add the color index. Color index is equals to, let's add 4. Now we'll check we'll check the font color is changing or not. We'll get the duplicate values or not. Switch over to our Excel sheet. Let's close this property box. Now make sure to just come out from the design mode. Now I'm selecting the range here. If I click, we don't have any duplicates here. Select range here, click. See here, Charan, Peter, Peter and Charan. Now here I'm adding, let's change the color. Go to 10 here, and also I'm adding the background color also. Cell value dot interior dot color index is equals to interior, which is a background color, is I'm adding 20, 25. These are the RGB colors, 25. Now let's check the output. I'm selecting the range, click. See here we got background color and font color. The font color is changed, will change again. We'll add 2. Click. This one 4. Now notice what will happen here. Now we check Peter 123. Now Peter and Peter, these are not the same values. If I select the range, when I click the button control, notice it's not working because the previous formatted is not updating. So first we need to clear the format. For that, switch over to the coding part, VBA coding part. Here I am adding cells dot clear format. That's it. Cells dot clear format. Again switch over to the coding part. When I click, see here it's gone. Now I'm adding some more. Rani, Vijay. Now let's check the final output. See here we got the duplicate values is highlighted. If I change the Rani to Lalita, click, again select, click. See here only the duplicate values is highlighted. Let's add Ben one more time. We'll check Ben, highlight the records, Ben. See, only the duplicate values of the selected range is highlighting the font and background color using a VBA code. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.